Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at this magnetic wristband. This is perfect if you're using tools and you have screws, maybe you're assembling something and you want to keep all those screws and small bits in one place on your arm. As we open it up, it's pretty simple, just the wristband itself. No user manual needed. You just want to go ahead and undo the Velcro right there. So here it is. As you can see, there are several magnets in each of these sections. There's 15 magnets total. Looks like 5 magnetic sections, so you've got 3 magnets just spread out in each of these. You've also got these 2 pockets here, so you can fit anything you have that's not magnetic. This is a deep pocket right here, and then this one is also a pretty deep pocket. And you've got Velcro right here, so it fits any size wrist. And then you've got this nice breathable mesh layer. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically just fold that over and then fold that. Then you can rotate it and put your thumb through this here so this thing won't go sliding up and down your arm. It's gonna stay in one place. And this thing is strong. As you can see, holds this bottle opener, which is quite heavy, with no problem at all. And again, if something's not magnetic, you can easily put it inside the pocket for storage right there. And you can easily sort out different items you have. So let's say I want to put all these screws in one section, like so. And it's easy just to rotate this and get access to whatever you want. Just look at that power. It's like you easily have access to everything, and you don't need to put things in your pocket. You don't need to lay them on a table and watch them roll off the table and to never be found again. It's all here, perfectly accessible. This is perfect for anybody you know in your life that is using tools, that's maybe assembling things, that's doing the handiwork around the house. Thanks for watching.